I bought and tested these top wrist straps for powerlifting, so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. I know how frustrating it can be to find the right gear that not only supports your lifts, but also lasts through the grind. Today, I'm sharing my honest experiences with these products so you can make an informed decision. Product number 1. Gym Reaper's Lifting Wrist Straps. When I first unboxed the Gym Reaper's Lifting Wrist Straps, I was instantly impressed by the quality of the material. These straps are made from durable cotton webbing with neoprene padding, which means they're designed to handle serious weight. I took them to the gym and used them during deadlifts and rows, and they did not disappoint. The extra length of 18 inches allowed me to wrap them securely around the bar, giving me the grip I needed to focus on lifting heavier without worrying about my hands giving out. One of the standout features is the cushioned neoprene wrist padding. After a few heavy sets, I noticed that my wrists felt supported yet comfortable, with no pinching or irritation. This is crucial, especially when you're pushing through those last few reps. I also appreciated the reinforced stitching. It gave me confidence that they would last through my intense training sessions. However, while these straps excel in durability and performance, I found that they were a bit bulkier than other options, which might not be ideal for everyone. Pros: excellent grip, comfortable padding, durable construction, ideal for heavy lifting. Cons: bulky design may not suit everyone. If you're serious about your lifting and need straps that won't let you down, I highly recommend the Gym Reaper's Lifting Wrist Straps. They provide the perfect combination of comfort and support, helping you push past your limits and lift heavier. Product number 2. Gym Reaper's Weightlifting Wrist Wraps. Next up are the Gym Reaper's Weightlifting Wrist Wraps, which boast IPF approval, making them a perfect choice for competitive lifters. I used these during my bench press sessions and immediately noticed the difference in stability. The heavy-duty thumb loop kept the wraps securely in place, allowing for a tight fit without cutting off circulation. This was a game changer for me, as it meant I could focus solely on my lift without any nagging wrist pain. These wraps are 18 inches long, which is a true advantage. Unlike shorter wraps that often leave you wanting more support, these allowed me to wrap them around my wrists in a way that felt both secure and flexible. The proprietary elastic is sturdy, but not overly stiff, providing an ideal balance between support and mobility. However, one downside is that the wraps can take a bit of practice to get used to, especially if you're not familiar with securing them properly. Pros: excellent wrist support, IPF approved, true to size. Cons: requires a bit of adjustment time. If you're into powerlifting or competitive lifting, these wraps are essential. They not only enhance your lifting performance, but also help prevent injuries, making them a worthy investment. Product number 3. FitGrip Wrist Wraps. Moving on to the FitGrip Wrist Wraps, I was pleasantly surprised by their performance. Designed for both men and women, these wraps offered refined stability during my workouts. I found myself using them for bench presses and shoulder presses, and the stability they provided was impressive. The high-quality cotton material was gentle on my skin, which is a significant advantage when you're lifting heavy and don't want to deal with irritation. One of the features I loved was the industrial Velcro closure. It made adjustments easy, allowing me to quickly secure the wraps tightly without any hassle. This is particularly useful during intense workouts when every second counts. They also come with clear indicators for left and right, which simplifies the process of putting them on. The only downside I noticed was that while they are durable, they might not hold up as well under extremely heavy loads compared to some of the other options on this list. Pros: comfortable material, easy adjustments, suitable for both genders. Cons: may not be as durable under extreme conditions. If you're looking for a solid wrist wrap that combines comfort with functionality, the FitGrip wrist wraps are a great choice. They're perfect for anyone who wants reliable support without sacrificing comfort. Product number 4. Vinsguir 21-inch Elastic Wrist Wraps. Next, I tested the Vinsguir 21-inch Elastic Wrist Wraps, and I have to say, these wraps were a pleasant surprise. At first, I was a bit skeptical about their 21-inch length, but it turned out to be a significant advantage. These wraps provided exceptional support without limiting my range of motion during lifts. I used them during squats and cleans, and they kept my wrists locked in place beautifully. What really impressed me was their USPA certification. Knowing that they meet professional standards gave me confidence while lifting heavier weights. The double-stitched edges and premium elastic material held up exceptionally well during my workouts, showing no signs of wear after several sessions. However, I did find that the Velcro closure could sometimes stick to my gym clothes, which was a minor annoyance. Pros: Excellent length for support, USPA certified, durable material. Cons, Velcro can snag on clothing. If you're serious about lifting and want a wrap that provides great support while being reliable, the VinSquare wraps are worth considering. They're designed for serious lifters and won't let you down.
Product number 5. Tough Wrap 16-inch Wrist Wraps. Finally, I tried the Tough Wrap 16-inch wrist wraps, and I must say, they have a unique take on wrist support. The lack of thumb loops was initially off-putting, but I quickly discovered that their belt loop tightening system was incredibly effective. I used them during my CrossFit sessions and found that I could adjust them on the fly without any discomfort. The premium elastic material provided the support I needed during heavy lifts, and the Velcro closure kept everything secure, which is critical when you're pushing your limits. The design is sleek and minimal, which I appreciated as it matched my gym aesthetics. However, I did notice that without the thumb loops, they may not feel as secure to some users, especially during intense training. Pros: innovative design, adjustable, sleek aesthetics. Cons: no thumb loops may not suit everyone's preferences. If you're looking for a versatile wrist wrap that allows for quick adjustments and stylish design, the Tough Wraps are worth a try. They provide solid support without getting in your way, making them a great choice for diverse training routines.